Hi, welcome to Mathematics in the Synnovation Lab. A quick little tour to help inform you on how your math classes will operate in the Synnovation Lab. Your math classes are going to be flipped. This means that students will get introduced through the material, through videos that their teachers make, anywhere they want. They can watch these videos at home, on the way back from a recital, while you're at Grandma and Grandpa's house, in study hall, wherever you'd like to get introduced to the material. When you're done with the material, then you're going to show back up in the lab and start practicing. We really believe that this practice, this doing the work, is where the learning begins to set in. After you've done this for 3 or 4 sections, then it's time to take a formative assessment, which is a modern day term for a quiz. We call it a formative assessment because it forms our next step. If you don't do well on the quiz, then you will be required to go over it with your teacher, learn from your mistakes, possibly do some more practice if needed, and then take it again, a different version of that quiz. If you get an 80% on your quiz, but you wanted to get 100, then upgrade yourself. We do give students the opportunity to upgrade from a B to an A. Repeat this process usually 2 times, and now you'll be ready for a test. But before you take the test, make sure you take time to schedule a meeting with your teacher. Preview that test. That way you can prepare for it and be confident when you take that test. This mastery-based system creates a math world where students close the gaps in their understanding. And once these gaps are closed, students are able to obtain a greater understanding and confidence in their ability to do math. Retention increases. It's a good way to do it. The Synnovation Lab math classes are self-paced to a degree. Remember that the Ohio Department of Education requires each student to get 4 years of math credit. But during the course, a student is free to move at their own pace. This also means that students who have great understanding of the material are now capable of moving at a faster pace. We take pride in our personalization. Students have access to individual help through the form of videos, through peer-to-peer relationships, and most importantly, through one-to-one sit-down experiences with their teachers. The students in math courses in the Synnovation Lab work together, not on tests, but in all forms of their practice. They share ideas, they help each other. There's a community of people that have taken these courses in the past, and they become great resources. This not only helps the learners, but the mentors, because if you can teach something to someone else, then you can demonstrate that you know it very deeply. We're proud of how efficient our system is. You can learn math from anywhere. You can test when you're ready. You can take the time that you need to learn. You can do as much practice as you want. You can re-watch a lecture that may have confused you or that you may have forgotten from the past. And you can start your next course when you complete this course. So students in Algebra 1 that finish in April will just start geometry in April. This eliminates the need to continuously review at the beginning of the year. And all of that creates a system where students can master material, feel less stress, and retain their math as they continue their journey into future education and employment. Hope you enjoy this video. I hope it's the first of many that you will watch because we want you in our lab. Boom!